Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create folders and subfolders based on cell values with Kutools for Excel. With the create folders from cell contents utility, you can also create both folders and subfolders based on the cell content. First, you need to type the cell contents into the cells separated by the slash sign, which you need to create the folders and subfolders based on. Then you can apply the create folders from cell contents feature to create the folders and subfolders. Select the cell values that you want to create folders and subfolders based on. Then click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Import and Export drop-down list. And at the bottom, click on the Create Folders from Cell Contents feature. In the dialog box, click the Browse button to select a directory to put the created folders and subfolders into. Click the OK button. Again, click the OK button. In the pop-out Create Folders from Cell Contents dialog box, click the OK button. And the folders and subfolders have been created at once based on the cell values. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.